You are a vegan.
I am. I have been a vegan now for 6 years.
Yeah, it takes tremendous discipline. And I know like people do it for a variety of reasons, right? Have you ever like just almost cracked, almost broke or?
No, it's kind of like a switch that you flip inside of your head. It's a commitment. And once you've made it, for me, it was health reasons. The amount of pain that I was in before due to my stomach issues made it to where I got to the point where I wasn't even able to eat food anymore. And I was getting so sick and the antibiotics weren't working on my stomach. So I also smoked cigarettes back then, which is crazy when I look that I ever did that. And I quit those and I started my vegan diet the same night.
Makes sense. So it's more from like a health perspective than it would be for like, even though I know that you're a big time animal lover, but it's more on the health side of things?
That's how it started. Yeah. So that's kind of how it goes. And then the more that you are, the longer that you are, you kind of research more things. I mean, I'm a big proponent of people doing what is best for them, and I'm not going to push what I do on you. It's more one of those things. I'll always bring food for people to try because I want you to enjoy what is out there and to see that there's an alternative. But it took me about 2.5 years to enjoy the taste of tofu.
Yeah, I buy that.
And it's all on preparation, and air fryer, surprisingly, makes the best tofu if it's marinated before.
Good to know for Tofu Tuesdays for us, I think.